about to have a painting face-off. We will have 10 minutes for these two artists to do their own interpretation of a heart. Start the timer, please. You can already see such a difference. Okay, 7.5 minutes.
This tape is so old. No, I need to get glue.
You guys are painting like you have all the time in the world.
You know what? You're going to get our shit confused.
No. I know exactly what I'm doing.
Cool. You can't just have white. This is an unfinished background.
Bro, this is an unfinished artwork.
You can't forget the background.
No.
I'll do black.
I don't care. Do whatever you want.
Like a crack. Like, what does that mean? I'm analyzing the artist. Like, what does that mean for her? That she did that right away.
Okay, we have 1 minute left. Yeah, like you need to hurry it up. 30 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's beautiful.